What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to this section. So in this one we're going to talk about tools, generally tools that I use to make my day trades and tools that I use to essentially just find information and analyze stuff and things like that. So I just want to kind of go over them real quick for you, so you kind of get a good idea of exactly how would it work if you want to day trade, and also if you want to do it the right way. All right, what you need to look at, all that stuff. These tools that I'm about to share with you in this section, some of them are very important and I definitely recommend looking at them once in a while. Some of them are not that important, but it's just like something that I have because I just want to make sure I have all the information that I need for my trades. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna start with TradingView. TradingView is an incredible tool. It's one of those tools that since I actually started using it, it has really made me a better trader. Now, TradingView has a lot of different purposes. So let me actually show you here. There you go. So for example, you can actually trade with it, okay, which is interesting because if you have a brokerage that can actually connect and sync with TradingView, you can actually trade directly from TradingView, which is really cool. Now, in my case, I use Webull, and it cannot be used with TradingView, unfortunately, because it doesn't have the API for it. If you go down here, you can actually, find all the brokerages that you can actually connect to trade with TradingView, which is really cool. There are a lot of them, there's a whole list of them actually. You can actually go ahead and look at it for yourself. But again, because I use Webull, it doesn't work with TradingView, so I can't do that. With TradingView, you can actually script as well. So this is another cool thing TradingView allows you, which makes it an incredibly amazing platform. If you want to, test different strategies, if you're a nerd like me and want to test different strategies based on math and like all the numbers and stuff like that, you can actually code with TradingView and develop indicators. This is what I did. I have Golden Slope, which I developed for myself, and I shared with a small group of people. This allowed me to become a much better trader because I was able to implement whatever I have in my mind into an indicator and allow me to make something incredible. So for example, this is Golden Slope. The waves that you see are K&N machine learning. I'll talk about Golden Slope in a separate video, maybe next one. But yeah, you can literally code. These are the codes that I actually use for Golden Slope, and you can literally code and actually build something for yourself. Very interesting stuff. You can actually make something incredible for yourself if you learn the programming language of it, which is PineScript. And then you can actually test. So you can actually test strategies. One of the cool things about TradingView is that you can actually back test strategies. You can go back, and there are actually scripts. You can actually write a program in a way that it actually tests a certain strategy. These things are called strategies, literally. So you can actually do that. So there's indicators and there's strategies. So you can do that. Also, you can actually replay. There's a lot of small features here. For example, if I want to replay this, take a look. I can just see exactly how everything went. Let me wait for the indicators to load real quick. Take a look. So I can just replay this thing and have it go and see, okay, how's my indicator and how is my how's my code is doing, all that stuff. I can just look at it literally and see if if my strategy is working well or not. So pretty interesting stuff, really. It actually is very helpful. This stuff, let me just close that real quick. But yeah, it is very, very cool and very useful stuff. But yeah, so that's that. You can script and test and stuff like that. There's a screener tool as well, and it is pretty advanced actually. The screeners are actually, it's something I talk more about in the swing trading course. But the idea with the screener is that you can find stocks based on certain certain things, such as their price, their revenue, their market cap, whatever. So much things you can actually details if you want to find certain strategies, for example, stocks that moved 5% in the last 5 minutes or something like that. You can find the stuff like that using a stock screener, and there is one included in the TradingView. So it's pretty cool. You can actually use it for yourself. And then the last one is that obviously a lot of features, such as if you want to draw something, you can draw something like this. If you want to mark the screen or something like that. The cool thing is that it actually stays with it, so you can actually move around and things like that. So again, a lot of cool stuff. I like it a lot. I feel like this tool really has changed the way I trade, and you should definitely use it. So you can start for free. There's going to be a link below this video in the resources section. check it out. You can start for free. It's pretty cool, and you can actually use a lot of public indicators. So there's like a whole indicator section, by the way. You can actually go and like, just search for the scripts and stuff like that, and you can just like find the ones you like, or if there's anyone that you know personally that you want to just search, you can just search it right here. Yeah, pretty interesting stuff. Again, like a lot of cool stuff happening in this platform, and it can help you to understand trading better. Especially, the reason I share this is that we're doing day trading, and day trading is a very technical task, in a sense that it's not more like about researching the fundamentals of the company. It's more about like understanding why a stock is moving at a certain moment, and that is very technical analysis. And TradingView is the perfect platform for technical analysis, really. So definitely something you want to use. Again, it's free to sign up, and you can upgrade. I use the premium version because the nature of my business and the nature of my trades, it requires a lot more information. But you can use it for the free version. Works very well. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.